Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Financial Independence channel. So let's look at what's next, which is the forecast for the coming week and the outlook and trade setup. So coming to USG's Nifty, HG's Nifty 17 points down, Dow Jones 144 points up, and Nasdaq is also at all-time high. So in US market, the jobs data has come, the jobs report has come, and the economy has added almost 9,43,000 jobs in July, according to the Labor Department, versus the estimates of 8,45,000 jobs. So that is what reflecting in the US market. So the unemployment rate dropped to almost 5.4 percentage below the estimates of 5.7 percentage. So coming to our market, Nifty made a small consolidation candle or a red candle because after a straight move of almost from 15,880 to 16,350, there needs to be some consolidation happening because this is a long time consolidation happening for the past 3 months. So market was getting squeezed at these levels whenever it was falling down. It was absorbing all the sellings. Whenever it went up on the upside, it was kicked down, and supply and demand was like unmatched on that. So after a huge squeeze, it gave a breakout, I mean like breakout, and then it gave almost 400 to 500 points move. So now the sellers are almost, I mean like brutally murder on these last 4 days because it was a non-stop run. They were running for cover, which triggered the market on more and more on the upside. So there needs to be a consolidation happening, and that is what happened on the Friday market. Fridays are usually profit booking, and after a huge run like this, then that will be like a small profit booking happening. Apart from that, this Reliance Future Retail verdict also came, which was in favor of the Amazon, which was actually seen as a welcome view for the other countries on the online sector, retail sectors, because there was no dominance. It was proved that justice is there, and there is no dominance on the Indian market. So any country can come here and do an online retail sector and can do and prosper. So this is what the view from the other countries. So Reliance and Future Retail dropped almost 2 to 1%, I mean like 1 to 2 percentage on the downside. So that was also the reason market made a small downside. Apart from this, HDFC Bank, HDFC Bank was the top performer. It made almost another 8 points on the upside. Above 1,500, it will start moving into the supply, like heavy supply zone of 1,528. Above this, the market, the HDFC Bank script may move towards 1,700 and 1,800 levels. ICC Bank, after 660, like breaking 660, made almost 720, and then a small consolidation or an inside bar candle is going on. SBN, after the results, 2 days, it made a piercing, I mean like engulfing, bearish engulfing pattern, and then again followed up by a small bearish candle. So expecting this to be consolidating at these levels because the major Nifty heavyweights are consolidating at these levels. So the consolidation may continue for a while. Let's look at the option chain. 16,300 is having 69,607 contracts as resistance as of now. Now the current close is 16,238. So 16,300 is having 69,607 contracts, and 16,400 is having 62,353 contracts. On the downside, 16,200 is having 58,479, which will act as the support. And anything below that, 16,000 is having the next support at 61,495 contracts. So the range will be 16,000 to 16,400. So anything between 16,200 breaking below 62,000, I mean 16,200, the market will get back to 16,000, and that will be again seen as a buy on dips. Anything below 16,000 and sustaining below that, then that will be a reason for worry. But I don't think that 16,000 below 16,000 market will fall. Anything at 16,000 close to that levels will be considered as a buying opportunity for more move because market is sustaining at 16,000 levels. So as per the past experience, I am saying that if market sustains above 16,000 for another one more week, there is a huge possibility that it may go to another 1,000 points in another 2 to 3 months of time period. So this is the view for Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, so as I said, heavyweight index are like ICC Bank, SBN are a bit consolidating. Only HDFC Bank is on the move. So HDFC Bank has large, I mean, like space to move on the upside. It is just at 1492. The next heavy supply zone is at 15,200. I mean, like 1520 levels. So another here 8, 20 to 30 points upside movement is left, but we have to wait if there is a follow-up buy for the coming week. So as per option chain 35,900, which is the money is having 18,653 contracts. Personally, I am expecting Bank Nifty is more bullish than Nifty as of now. 36,000 is having 58,464 contracts as on Friday, and you can see 35,800 is having 21,000 contracts and 35,500 is having 36,386 contracts. So let's look at the Bank Nifty. So it is making like an inside bar candle. So anything on the anything breaking below 0.786 will be the next levels will be 35,392 levels, which will be also the higher support levels, which will act as a consolidation, or again it will push back the Nifty Bank on the upside. But I am expecting if there is follow-up buy on the HDFC Bank, Nifty will break through. Sorry, Nifty Bank will break through 36,000 on Monday itself. But if there is no follow-up and if there is any profit booking happening in HDFC Bank or any other major banks, then I am expecting Nifty Bank will fill the gap of 35,200 to 35,367 levels. There is a gap here and it needs to be filled. But if it fills, then again it will pull market on the upside to 36,000 levels. Because once if a consolidation happens, then again it may start moving on the upside. So these are the views for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I am not going to expect much on the index calls for the coming week because I'm expecting a small consolidation. Any follow-up buys on HDFC Bank, and if any follow-up, I mean like buying on ICC and SBN, because SBN has fallen almost from 468 to 436. I'm expecting it should reverse back at 428 or 430 levels. So if that is happening, then again it may start moving on the upside. So let's wait for that. Axis Bank is performing very good, but yesterday, I mean like on Friday, it made a shooting stars pattern. Let's see if it is I mean like if it is having a follow-up selling, but I'm expecting it should hold 731 levels and then start moving on the upside. So this is the view for the coming week on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So trade cautiously on the Nifty and Bank Nifty calls. So that's all guys on the Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. So hope this information is useful, and if it is useful, please share with your friends and subscribe. Thanks guys. Bye.